Hey guys, what's up? Sandeep Banerjee here. Today I'm going to talk about some of the fun tools available within Google and maybe we are not aware of it and not using it in that way. So let me show you the first one which I wanted to talk about. So first one is animal sound. Let me type animal sounds and if I hit enter, you will be getting one option here. You can see different pictures are there and the sound of those animals are already there. If I click here, you will be able to hear it. Yeah, I'm scared. If you check the next one, yeah, all those things are there. This will be very helpful for preschool teachers and kids will love it. You have loads of available options already there. You just need to scroll there and find the sound you are looking for. So let me check another one. I'm really scared now. Let me move to the next tip which I wanted to share. Now if I type color picker here, you'll be able to see now there is a color picker. Whatever the color you will select, you will be getting CMYK, RGB or a hex numbers of that particular color, which will be very helpful. Sometimes this feature can be helpful whenever maybe you are working in a company and they use some of the logo where a specific color only needs to be used and you wanted to use it in your document. So this color picker will be very helpful. You can check for the required color you are looking for. You can see these numbers are changing and you will be able to copy that number and you will be able to use for different purposes. Hopefully this particular tool can be helpful for some of you. So as we learned some of the features, what about some game? Can we play some? Let's try. So if I type here tic-tac-toe, you can see that game is already there. You will be able to select the difficulty of the game also. Now let's see how computer plays it. Let me select the first one. The computer give this next. Okay. I think I trapped him. Yeah, he won it. Okay. So you will be able to play tic-tac-toe any point of time. If you are getting bored and you have Google homepage open in front of you, you can start playing then and there. Okay, now what about another game? If I type here Pac-Man, you remember that old Pac-Man game? You can play it here in Google also. If I select this play button, it will start. This is another game you can play anytime when you are bored. You can see another option is there for snake game. You can click on that and you can start playing. So these are the options available all the time. You can play whenever you want to. Did you ever try playing another game which is available within Google? In case you are disconnected from internet and you are searching for something, maybe let me type anything here and click enter, you'll be able to see no internet. But this little dino is there. If you click there, it will start running. You can see now this dino is running and you can play it. Oh, game over. So whenever you don't have any internet, don't need to be bored, you can play this dino game any point of time. Now I am tired playing too many games. I need some breathing exercise. And yes, that is also available within Google. Let me type it. Breathing exercise. If I click on that, you can see this 1 minute breathing exercise is here. If you click this particular button, it will guide you for the breathing exercise. Let me click on this play button. Okay, that's enough for now. Let me go back to the Google homepage again. Are you up for another fun feature? Let me type it. Google Sphere. If you type it and click on I'm feeling lucky, the way I will move my mouse, all this text will float around. You can do it in any form, any direction. Try this out sometime. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Let me show you the next one, that is Google Gravity. After you type that, click on I'm feeling lucky and watch what happens. Oh, entire thing was broken. Now you can play with it the way you want it to. So this is another thing to play with in case you are getting bored. Enough? Okay, let me go back to the home page again. Let me show you other available features which are available, which you can use all the time. Roller dice. Looking for an online game? You can use it all the time. You just need to click on roll and another new value will come. You wanted to choose between different other options also. So try this out. Also, click on this particular arrow here to get other options. That color picker I talked about, it's here. If you wanted to play with a spinner, click on that and a new spinner will come and it will spin. If you wanted to play with a fidget, you can do that also. But spin again. You can increase the speed also. So all these options are there. These are the tools available. You can flip a coin. You can also roll a dice. You can check calculator, all those things. Games and toys, I talked about some of them. You can also try different other options which are available. Hopefully some of these fun features will cheer you up and you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.